Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and I just wanted to show you how these onions were coming along. Since I'm down here, I thought I would do a little update. At about the same time, maybe a day or two later, I dug up some of the Brussels sprouts, and I planted one here in the water in the hydroponics. I use Kratky method in case anybody's wondering. The tomato that I tried to rescue didn't do too well, as you can see. I'm going to leave it in here a few more days just in case it decides to sprout some leaves somewhere and actually grow, because I've had that happen before where it looks like it's totally dead and then it just starts coming out with new life from somewhere. But that's what I got right now. I may have to dig another one up. It hasn't froze yet, so I'm hoping that I can at least get some tomato going inside during the winter. I also still have a couple of Brussels sprouts here, and I may end up having to plant one of these in another bucket here. Let me show you. Over here I have a Brussels sprout, but I got a hungry critter too. See that bad boy? I didn't even know he was there till I started watering my plant, and he was flopping around because all the drops of water were hitting him and he was trying to get away from them. Anyway, my plant won't last long with him trying to digest it all. And I don't know what he is, but he's inside my house and he's gotta go, man. Well, that little guy is gonna have to go, because, you know, he's kind of cute, but he's munching on all my greens, and I gotta have those for overwinter. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell if you want to receive all of our videos. We also have a free TubeBuddy link in the description below, and I guess that's about it. So that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.